Hey, if you want to open Street View using Google Maps, first of all, you have to click on this icon. Now select Street View. And as you can see, the color of the map has changed. And now let's say that I want to check something in Dallas. So I have to make this gesture to pinch screen. And I would like to go into the, for example, on this road, on this street. So I have to click on it with my finger. And when it's actually highlighted with the blue, it means that you can actually check it. And right here, you've got the real view, and you can move by clicking on these arrows. That's quite simple. When you tap with your finger twice, you can also go forward. And also we can click on this icon, and from here you will resize the real view. If you want to get it smaller, click right here. And also you've got the information that this view is actually from 1 year ago. You can also see more dates. So that's the May 2022. And we can also go and turn into the October from 2019. And click on it, and that's the difference between this place and the 3 years. Now if you want to turn it off, just click X and then tap on this arrow, and then click here and tap to turn off the street view. And as you can see, that's all. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.